White bird of the tempest, oh beautiful thing, with the bosom of snow and the motionless wing, now sweeping the billow, now floating on high, now bathing thy plumes in the light of the sky, now posing o'er ocean thy delicate form, now breasting the surge with thy bosom so warm, now darting aloft with a heavenly scorn, now shooting along like a ray of the morn, now lost in the folds of the cloud-curtained dome, now floating abroad like a flake of the foam, now silently poised o'er the war of the main, like the spirit of charity brooding o'er pain. Now gilding with pinion, all silently furled, like an angel descending to comfort the world, thou seemst to my spirit as upward I gaze, and see thee now clothed in mellowest rays, now lost in the storm-driven vapors that fly, like hosts that are rooted across the broad sky, like a pure spirit true to its virtue and faith, bid the tempests of nature, of passion and death. Rise, beautiful emblem of purity, rise on the sweet winds of heaven to thine own